Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our science class. First of all, as we use always, we are going to start with our classroom rules. Sign in on time, find some quiet place to study, listen. I want you to listen. Look at the screen, raise your hand, answer when teacher calls your name. Do not draw on the screen and do not talk to your friends. Okay, guys? Please never open your microphone and speak unless I ask you to. You're big girls now, okay? Good. Today's Sunday, the 4th of October, 2020. We are studying Unit 1, Lesson 5. Lesson 5 is about what kinds of model do scientists use? We learn about models.
Miss, I know.
Okay, Rihanna. One of our rules is never unmute your microphone and speak until your teacher calls your name. Okay, my dear? Now, after we finish this lesson, you will be able to answer this question. Look at the picture. This is a scale model of the moon. What can scientists learn by studying it? Okay, if they have this scale of the moon, what they can study about or what they can learn about from this scale model. Okay, Rayana, you can try to answer.
This model, okay.
Yes, Rayana?
What do you mean with this?
I mean
Scale model.
Scale model. If they have this scale, this is the scale model. Can you see the moon in this picture?
Yeah.
This is a scale model. If they have this scale model, how it will help them study or why they're going to learn about it?
Maybe they want to go to the I forget its name in English.
It's okay, Rihanna. You raised the hand, so I thought you had an answer. It's fine.
Yeah.
It's okay.
I know the answer,
After we finish this session or this lesson, you will be able to answer the question. Okay, dear?
Okay, but Miss, I wrote.
Can we start?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let's start. First of all, scientists, they make models to investigate questions and explain conclusions. So they make their models, which model should represent something real, or models can represent something real that is too big or too small or has too many parts to investigate directly. So models keep our life easier to study and learn about different stuff and different things, okay? And we have more than one kind of model. So if I want to make a volcano, what kind of model I should use? Let's see. First of all, you have to know that there are 3 types of model: 2-dimensional model, and a 3-dimensional, and a computer model. So these 3 we are going to study about today, and I'm going to teach you about them today. 2-dimensional model, 3-dimensional model, and a computer model. I'm going to tell Leah.
Yeah.
Okay, I can't hear you clear. What are you talking about? Guys? Oh, do not open the page, not yet. If I want you to open the book, my dear, you will find the page number on the top of my screen, okay? Okay, guys? Leah and Liana, okay?
Okay.
Good. So now we know models. What are models and why do we make them? Models are what? Models are something represents something real that is too big, too small, or has too many parts to investigate directly. So I use models. I make models to study and learn, and models keep my life easier, or it makes my study easier, make my learning easier. And if you have a conclusion, you want to explain for someone a conclusion, you are going to use models. Now, we are going to learn 3 types of models: a 2-dimensional model, a 3-dimensional model, and a computer dimensional. I want you to raise the hand if you want to answer. I want you to tell me, what do you think 2-dimensional model and a 3-dimensional model is? Now let's start with, who's Lisa?
This is Lean.
Lean, okay. Lean, my dear, can you unmute your microphone and change your name to Lean?
Okay.
Yes.
Hi, Miss.
Hello, my dear. Okay, what is a 2-dimensional model? What do you think, Lean?
I think it's like when you want to say a conclusion, you use a 2-dimensional model or a 3-dimensional model.
Okay, thank you, Lean, for trying. Leanne, do you have an answer?
Miss, an answer for what?
And what is a 2-dimensional model?
2-dimensional means I don't know.
Okay,
Really.
thank you. It's fine.
We still did not learn about that.
I know. I want you to try to think what it can be. A 2-dimensional and a 3-dimensional. Yes, Rihanna? Yes, Rihanna?
A 2-dimension, I think that it is drawing of length and cells.
A drawing? Okay, good job. It's a drawing, yes. Okay. Why it's 2-dimensional? Yes, length and
width.
excellent. It has a length and width, or a length and height. Yes, excellent. It has only 2 measuring. I'm going to measure the height and length. But a 3-dimensional, I'm going to measure 3 stuff. Let me draw it for you. Okay.
Miss, I have also something maybe a 2-dimension can be. It also can be a diagram.
Yes, it can be a diagram, a drawing. So
or a map.
2-dimensional can be, you are going to measure the height and length, and that's it. 2 things you are going to measure. But a 3-dimensional, you are going to, you're going to measure the height and length. Also, you're going to measure the width from inside. A 3-dimensional can look what? Can look pop, as something popping up. But a 2-dimensional is flat, is all the time it's flat. What do I mean by flat? Something look like a map, something look like a diagram, something look like a drawing. It's not out, it's only 2-dimensional. But a 3-dimensional, it has 3 measuring. You are going to measure the height, the length, and the width. For example, a 2-dimensional can be a square. Look, it can be a square, but a 3-dimensional is a cubic. A 3-dimensional is what? A cubic. or a cube. Do you get it, guys? Look.
Really understand.
This is 2-dimension. That is 2-dimension.
See.
Teacher, I don't really understand.
Okay, let me try again. Over here, the first one, let me put a yellow square on it. Okay. Dear Maria, this yellow square is a 2-dimensional model. But the green one over here is a 3-dimensional model. Why I called it 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional? It depends on what are you going to measure. Are you going to measure two things? The height and length. So it's 2-dimensional. It's 2-dimensional model. And it is all the time flat. So anything flat is a 2-dimensional model. If it's a map, so definitely it's a flat, so it is 2-dimensional model. But if it's not a map or not a diagram and not a drawing, it is something you can feel or you can see. It's 3-dimensional, so you can measure 3.
Like the cube.
Yes, like the cube. Look at the cube. You are going to measure the height and length. Also, the depth over here. You are going to measure the depth. Is that right, Maria?
Yeah. Like this also?
Yes, I understand. Thank you.
Welcome, my dear.
Like this also?
The third type is a computer model. And definitely a computer model is the one you can find on a computer. Yes, or a program. You are going to use a program. Now, models and science, models can take many forms. A mental model is a picture you create in your mind. See? So if you are picturing something in your head and it's only in your head, you are going to call it a mental model. Okay, guys, a mental model.
Okay, okay, miss.
Let's draw over here, huh? A mental model. A mental model is a picture you create in your mind and it's only in your head. You just think of it. You just have it in your head and you are going to use it later or think about it more later or whatever. But whatever in your head, we call it mental model. Okay, guys? Now I want you to read for me, Ya Layan, a 2-dimensional.
Miss,
Just a minute. 2-dimensional model. Layan,
Yes, miss.
can you read for me what is a 2-dimensional model?
A 2-dimension model has length and width. It can be a drawing, a diagram, or a map.
A diagram or a map. Excellent. Thank
Miss.
you, my dear. Yes. Yes.
Miss, can I
Yes.
tell you something?
Lean, she was talking. Yes, Lean.
I don't understand what is a computer model.
A computer model is on a computer. You use a computer to do it. Yes. Now, Maria, can you read for me?
I wanted to tell you something.
Okay, Leanne, just a minute. After we finish reading, can you do that? Is it okay? Thank you. Maria, can you read for me a 3-dimensional model? You are muting yourself. Yes. Okay.
Wait. Has length, width, and height.
Excellent. Excellent. It has length, width, and height. Good job. Okay, Rihanna, can you read the scale model?
A scale model tells how much smaller or big the model is than the real thing. Model trains often are scale models. A computer
Excellent, excellent, excellent. So look at here. A scale model. What do I mean by a scale? A scale is anything that you are going to compare or measure about. Is it smaller or bigger, the model, than the real thing? You want to know, is it smaller than the real thing or is it bigger? So the moon is really big. When you are going to make a model, you are going to make a smaller. But if you are going to, also if you are going to use a volcano, you are going to make a volcano model, you're going to make it smaller than the real thing. But if you are studying about an ant or a ladybug, you are going to make a big model of it. So this is a scale model. What is a scale model, guys? Who knows? Who will answer? Who wants to answer what is a scale model? Talia, I didn't hear your voice today.
a scale model tells how much smaller or bigger the model is than the real thing.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay, and a computer model, yeah. Lean, can you read, Yaleen?
Yes, teacher. A computer model is a computer program that models an adjective or object.
An event or object. Okay, so Rihanna, can you read the final, the last line?
Or should I say scientist?
Yeah. Some computer model make you feel like you are
Actually,
move through
moving.
space.
Excellent. So some computer models make you feel like you are actually moving through space. What do they mean? Actually moving through space. So when programming is really amazing, guys. Have you ever went to simulation games, or have you ever played Nintendo or something like that when you wear headphones?
Sometimes, not really.
When you
Yes.
wear the headphones and you wear the, what do you call it, the
Can
eyeglasses, maybe for to make you see things that they are not in real world, maybe to
Yes.
make you feel that you are in the
Like
playground.
this.
And sometimes, Miss, you use a controller if you play.
Yes, you use the controller. Excellent. These are computer models of the real things. Is it or not?
Okay. Yeah.
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 Okay, good.
Miss,
Now
now can I
let's
ask
see.
you the question?
Yes, Leanne, you have a question? Scientist Leanne?
Yes. Miss,
Okay,
can you please lower a little bit your voice because it's hurting my ears when I hear.
really? Can you do
Yeah.
that from your headphones? Do you have something to lower the voice?
Yeah.
I will check because it doesn't always come. I'm in a computer, so it doesn't always come. So I will try to make it come.
I think you lowered your voice, not mine.
Yep.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try to do that, Leanne.
Page 46.
Now,
Okay.
Now, page 46, you have models and science. Look at the picture. Native Americans had
What
mental
about
models.
now?
What, my dear?
I a little bit made my voice higher. Is it better?
Yes, it's better.
Okay.
Miss, I can't hear you.
Rihanna, can you read page 46, please?
What?
She says read page 46.
Huh?
Rayana,
one more
read.
time.
She says read
Read.
she says read page 46.
Okay, Talia, can you read, please?
Okay.
Talia will read. Talia, can you read, please?
Models and science.
From your book,
Wait,
it's
oh.
better. It's more clear.
Yes. Here we go. Native Americans had mental models for the sun, moon, and planets. Several tribes in North America tell stories of the beginning of time when Earth did not exist. All of the animals applied mud to the shell of a turtle. Earth was born when the mud became thick and large on the turtle's back.
Thank you, my dear. So models is already there since long time ago, and they used it to explain and to learn about animals and other stuff and earth and everything. Okay, over here you will find the word model and two-dimensional. Two-dimensional model. I want you guys to underline the meaning of model and two-dimensional model. Each one on her own. Okay, guys?
Done.
Okay, good. Now, can you read for me, Talia, what is a model?
Okay. I'm not really sure, but I think model represents something real that is too big, too small, or has too many parts to investigate directly.
Yes, directly. Excellent, thank you. Now, Maria?
Yes.
Can you tell me what is a two-dimensional model?
A two-dimensional model is like when you measure paper. Like
Excellent. Yes, this is an example for two-dimensional model. Now I want you to read for me the meaning of two-dimensional model. What should I underline? So a two-dimensional model has length and width.
I wanted to say it, but my mic was closed.
Okay, and it can be what?
A drawing.
A drawing.
A diagram or a map.
A map. Excellent. Now, Layan, can you tell me, my dear, a mental model? What is a mental model? Read for me a mental model.
A mental model is a picture or you create in your mind.
Yes,
Think about
exactly.
this.
Exactly. Thank you, guys. Did you underline all these?
Yes.
Okay, good. Let's go to the next page and see what do we have. Before we go to the next page, I want to tell you that a toy car and a doll's house, a person who shows off clothes on a runaway, these are all models. But models in science is what we explain. Now look at this picture. the solar system. Is it two-dimensional model or three-dimensional? Yes, Rihanna.
No, wait. That's a picture or
The picture.
that's a picture? Two-dimensional model.
Excellent, excellent. So scientists use models of the solar system to investigate the motion and position of planets and moons. Why do they study the solar system and why do they make the models? Because they want to know the motion and positions of planets and moons, okay? Now open to page 46, please. Open to page 47, sorry, 47. As a homework, I want you to draw for me a two-dimensional model. By tomorrow in our class, I want to see it. Okay, my dear?
Okay, fine.
So can you write on page 47, homework? This is a homework.
Okay.
I already did.
Okay, good. Let's go to the next page. Now, over here, what other models scientists use? Let's read about it.
Miss, when are we gonna finish?
Can you read for me, Alayan?
Okay. Other models, other models scientists use. You see thousands of stars in the night sky. You point to a very bright star. Suddenly you are zooming through space. As you get closer, the star gets bigger and brighter. Your trip isn't real, but it feels like it is. It's another kind of a model.
What do you think this kind of model is, Alayan?
Three dimension.
Okay, let's find out. Yes, you are right. It's a three-dimensional model. What is a three-dimensional model? Yeah, let me choose one of you. Talia. Talia,
Yes.
three-dimensional model is what?
Is useful for such a model can show the position of planets, moons, and the sun better than a two-dimensional model can.
Okay, good. Thank you. This is the useful point of using three-dimensional model. But Rayana, can you tell me what is the definition of the three-dimensional model?
Wait. Can you say it again?
The model has length, width, and what?
And height.
And height. This is a three-dimensional model. And as our friend Talia read, it is useful and it's better than a two-dimensional model. Because if you want to compare sizes and distance in a model, then you can
Not just
scale. So a scale model is what? Three-dimensional or two?
Three-dimensional.
Excellent. Okay, Lean. Lean, what is a computer model?
A computer model is a computer program that models an an event or object.
Excellent, excellent. So some computer models make you feel like you are moving through the solar system. Good job. Okay, guys, we are going to do this one. This is the last thing we are going to do over here, and then our session will be finished. Okay, guys? Now,
Okay.
looking on the data table over here, we are going to use a fraction. What fraction tells how the size of the Mars compares to Earth? Can you tell me, Maria? We want to compare between Mars and Earth, okay? Mars, Earth. How can I write the fraction?
Teacher, can I answer?
After Maria, yes, Yalia, you can answer.
Okay.
Maria,
Yes.
I want you to compare Mars to Earth. What should I write for up?
Mars to Earth.
See, Mars to Earth. So, what should I write up? What number?
Mars to Earth. 5.
Excellent. 5 to
5 to 10.
Excellent. Good job. Now, Leah, which object is about 1 to 4 the diameter of Neptune?
Venus.
Venus?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see about that. Good job. Now, Leanne. Leanne?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, tell me. The third one and the last one is what? Which object is about 1 to 9 the diameter of Saturn?
1 to 9.
Yes.
Uh, I think I don't know.
Okay, we'll see. 1 to 4 is Venus, as our friend Leah said, and 1 to 9 diameters of Saturn is Earth. Okay.
I'm just gonna say. Okay.
I did not understand what does 9 to 1 mean.
It's fractions and about math, so don't worry about it, my friend, because now our time is up and we need to end the session. But I can explain it to you, Leanne, next session. Okay, Leanne? Are you okay with that? Leanne?
Yes, I am good with that.
Okay. Thank you, my dear. Thank you, guys, for having this session with me.
I am good with that because I know what does it mean.
Oh, good. Alhamdulillah. I'm so happy.
That's bad. No, I didn't mean it.
It's 10:37, and you have to be ready for your next session. Okay, guys?
Wait, the next session is IT, and we don't have IT.
No, it's math.